Let's begin now.
Come on, Cactus!
If I find my way,
I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass. If you're back for another DIY project, so I'm going to be taking it back to the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using some houses as well as some cactuses that I got from the Dollar Tree, in addition to some other materials to create some cute, stylish home decor. So if you want to see how this combination turned out, then let's go over the materials, and let's go ahead and let's get right started. So for the materials, I ended up swapping out this black squeeze paint that's pictured and swapped it out for some black chalk paint that I've used in a previous project. I went outside and gave each of these one coat of spray paint. For this project, I repurposed the Dollar Tree houses into a tray planter. So after I got the houses spray painted, then I used some foam that I got from a package that I saved, and I used that to just add some height for the inside of the houses. So outside I spray painted the base of the planter, but then when I came inside, I decided to hand paint the interior using some black chalk paint that I've used in a previous project so that I wouldn't get any black on the actual cactuses. Then I flash spray painted the styrofoam using the black spray paint that I used for the cactus planters, so when I add the rocks, you wouldn't be able to see the styrofoam. I added some glue to adhere both of the pieces together to create a tray look. And then I added some rocks to cover up all of the styrofoam. Thanks so much for watching, and get caught up and check out these other affordable DIY projects.